Okay, so this is our material. Save our seas. Atau mari kita menyelamatkan lautan kita. Okay, so nowadays a lot of thing happens. For the example here in the warm-up question. So in the warm-up question here, as you can see here, we have some activities. The first one, we have picture A, B, C, D, E, F. Oke, di sini udah ada six pictures, ada 6 pictures nih. So look at the pictures and answer the following question. So you can see the question here. When did you last visit a river, lake, sea, ocean, and where was it? And what did you do there? And then for number two, why are our seas and ocean are sorry, why are our seas and oceans important? Look at the image and say what you can see. And then for number three, we have, do you see any conflicts between any of the image? Oke, jadi di sini ada beberapa foto nih. Picture A, picture B, picture C, D, E, F. And then I want you to answer the question number one until number three. So, do you have any question about this part? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih kira-kira tentang bagian ini? Gimana? Mutia? Grace?
Kak, dari gambar picture A sampai picture F itu positif semua nggak ya?
Hmm, as you can see here, do you think that is positive or negative? Ini semuanya ada plus minusnya sih. Ada yang positif, ada yang negatif juga sih. Depends on the pictures. Do you get it? Paham nggak kira-kira maksudnya?
Hmm.
Apakah bingung? For the example, picture A this is cycles of hmm, rain atau proses pembentukan hujan nih. Jadi mulai dari air laut yang menguap menjadi awan, lalu turun ke bumi menjadi air, menjadi hujan ya. And for picture B here we have this is something like oxygen ya. Jadi ini sorry, this is actually picture of oxygen. And then for C here we have picture of food. For example, this is something like sardine or makara, so fish from sea. So this is for our lives about food. And then next we have this picture D here. As you can see here, this is kehidupan laut ya. So this is like biodiversity, biodiversity. Jadi kayak keragaman laut. Ada terumbu karang, ada ikan, penyu, hiu, dan a lot of any animals in the sea. And then next here we have this. This is like fisherman atau apa namanya? Sorry,
Nelayan.
nelayan ya, nelayan. So this is like nelayan find fish in the sea, something like that. And for picture F here, so this is about vacation or holiday. So there is a lot of people visit beach to do some activities. This is like swimming and then berjemur and then playing something else. So that is for picture A until F. Jadi mungkin nggak ada yang negatif juga sih. So this is only for the explanation about the picture. And then here you can see this. When did you last visit a river? Kapan kamu terakhir kali nih mengunjungi river, sungai, lake, danau, sea, laut, ocean, lautan gitu. Where was it? Nah, itu kira-kira di mana nih? And what did you do there? Apa yang kalian lakukan di sana? And why are our seas and ocean important? Kenapa nih laut atau laut kita tuh sangat penting? Jadi menurut kalian kenapa? Let's look at the big image and say what you can see. Jadi menurut kalian boleh nih boleh pilih minimal dua deh. Mau jelasin yang mana nih? Look at the image and what you can see. Jadi menurut kalian ini gambarnya apa? And then for number three, do you see any conflicts between any of the image? Kayak ada yang berbeda nggak ini kira-kira? Do you get the comment? Paham nggak kira-kira?
Yes.
Uh, right, please. If you have any question, you can say it. Kalau ada pertanyaan, boleh banget nih untuk ditanyakan. For number one, number two, or number three. Or you can give option atau opinion. For the example, as you can see here for picture, do you see any conflicts between any of the image? For the conflict, like picture D and E as for it, something like that. So if we do something like overfishing atau pemancingan berlebihan atau penangkapan ikan berlebihan, that will be that will have bad impact in our nature, akan ada dampak buruk untuk alam kita, something like that. For the example, that is for the example for number three.
But I have question. Number
Okay.
three, uh, conflict that occurs between humans or animals.
Bebas mau pokoknya about the pictures here. Misalnya yang F nih, jadi konfliknya
Hmm.
nanti tentang apa nih kira-kira? Atau yang I apa, yang D apa gitu. Kayak akan ada apa nih kayak bad impact-nya gitu.
Okay.
Do you get it?
Okay.
Okay, please. Hmm.
Berarti relate dengan image-nya ya,
Mhm. Yang ini kan, do you see any conflicts between any of the image? Ada nggak nih?
bukan pikiran sendiri, bukan terkait
Kalau berdasarkan
image.
foto tapi bisa interpretasi sendiri nggak apa. Misalnya ini kan
Oh,
orang kerja nelayan kan. Ada positifnya mungkin membantu untuk mengekonomikan, menghidupkan ekonomi warga sekitar pantai. For example, itu untuk positifnya. Kalau negatifnya mungkin kayak kita overfishing sehingga menyebabkan dampak apa gitu.
oke.
Jadi itu tergantung opini kita.
Oke.
Alright. Jadi ini bisa positif, bisa negatif, depends on our mindset, our opinion.
Oh ya, si itu si or beach itu sama ya?
Kalau
Beach.
sea itu laut, kalau beach itu pantai. Jadi
Kalau ocean, oh,
ocean itu
oke.
lautan, jadi lebih gede banget gitu. Kira-kira paham nggak
Eh,
bedanya?
jadi ini tertuju laut doang ya? Atau sambungan ke pantai nggak sih? Atau enggak?
Boleh aja. Kayaknya kalau laut selalu ada pantainya kan, jadi kayak masih nyambung kok.
Ah,
Kalau
oke.
ocean tuh lebih ke samudra gitu.
Ya, I know. Oke.
Oke. Beach juga boleh kok. Maksudnya when did you like lake, sea, ocean, beach, pokoknya sesuatu yang mengandung perairan, it's okay.
I want to try that langsung aja.
Oke, please, Chris.
Number one and number three.
Oke.
Okay, when did you last visit? I can remember when last time I went to go beach or sea, but was it at Bejihana Beach, Nias Island,
Oke.
and I did was swim.
Sorry.
Eh, aku lakukan berenang.
Mhm.
I did swim, was swim.
So you swam there ya, berenang.
Ya,
Jadi
ya,
swim, swam, swam gitu ya. Swam, you swam
ya,
in the beach di pantainya, berenang ya.
ya.
So what is the name of the beach?
Bajihana.
Bajihana.
Enggak,
Bajihana.
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 Bajihana. Bajihana.
Bajihana.
Nias.
Be,
Bajihana.
Bejihana.
Nah, itu.
Bejihana Beach in Nias Island ya.
Ya.
Okay, that's good. Bejihana Beach in Nias. Okay, that's great. And
And
then
number
you swim. And the next.
the conflict maybe causes tsunami or floods.
Okay, the picture number.
Eh, Kayaknya di picture A aku ngeliatnya gitu, banjir. Itu ya?
Picture A. Oke, so
Eh,
nggak apa ini opininya boleh banget masuk. So, your opinion
mm, ya, this.
gimana?
Ah,
Can you repeat again about
maybe
your opinion?
maybe causes tsunami or floods.
Okay, so it
Ban
can cause flood ya, flood,
floods or
flood
flood.
banjir kan?
Ya,
Nah, flood banjir. Okay, it depends on the intensity of rain atau intensitas hujannya ya.
ya.
Okay, if tsunami it causes by earthquake atau gempa bumi ya. But if floods it depends on curah hujan atau or intensity of rain, intensitas hujan.
Ya.
Okay, that is for picture A. Okay, that's all, Grace.
Yeah, that's okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
that's perfect. Good job. Thank you very much, Grace. Okay, so that is from Grace. So the first one, she visited Bejihana Beach in Nias. And what did Grace do there? So she swam on the beach. Okay, that's good. And then for number three, do you see any conflicts between any of the image? So she chooses picture A. So it can cause something like flood, depends on the intensity of rain. Okay, that's so good. Okay, next, Mutia, you want to try?
Yes, I wanna try.
Okay, please.
Number one, when
Mhm.
did you last? The last time I visited the sea was probably last month.
Last
Uh,
month,
yes, and then where was it? On Lampu U Beach.
Lampu U,
Lampu U Beach. Yes.
Lampu U Beach
Mm-mm.
in Aceh.
Uh, yes, in Aceh. And then what did you do there? What I do is clean the beach together.
Oh, you clean the beach?
Yes. Kayak
So,
volunteer gitu.
oh, you join volunteer in Lampu U Beach, yeah?
Yes.
So, is it free or you have to pay for contribution?
No,
So
free.
it is free, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so sorry, you did voluntary.
And then number two, itu
Mhm.
maksudnya gini ya. Eh, apa sih namanya? Apa yang terjadi kalau misalnya ikan punah gitu ya? Eh,
Why are our seas and oceans important? Jadi kenapa
oh,
nih laut atau samudra kita penting?
um, karena apa ya? Because if the
Mhm.
marine ecosystem is damaged, marine habitats such as fish will die.
Oh, such as fish will die or extinct punah gitu ya.
Yes.
Okay, that's good option. And then
Uh,
for number three,
do you use itu boleh picture berapa aja, Cap, kan?
boleh mau yang mana aja bebas.
Eh, yang apa ya? Yang picture A. C.
C. Okay,
Yes.
C.
Eh, kalau misalnya gini bisa nggak, Cap? Misalnya kan eh, si ikannya tuh kan ditangkap terus, jadinya kayak bakal
Mhm.
punah gitu. Bisa nggak?
Boleh. It depends on your opinion. Gimana mau opini kamu?
Ya gitu. If too many fish are caught, certain types of fish will become extinct.
Oh,
Extinct.
okay. So if we do something like overfishing ya, atau penangkapan ikan berlebih, it can cause kepunahan hewan gitu ya.
Yeah,
The extinction of fish. Okay, that's good. That's all, Mutia.
yeah, that's all.
Okay, perfect. Good job. Thank you very much, Mutia. Okay, so that is from Mutia. So the first one, when did you last visit Oceans Beach? So this in Lampu Beach in Aceh. And what did you there? You do you did voluntary clean the beach. Okay, that's a good activity. And then here, where are our seas and ocean are important? So because they have a lot of ecosystem and it can heal our world. And then for number three, why do you see any do you see any conflicts here? So you just picture C. So they said if we overfish atau melakukan pemancingan berlebihan, it can cause extinction atau kelangkaan atau kepunahan juga. Okay, that's good. Thank you very much, Mutia.
Yes.
Okay, so that is about this part in the warm-up question. Okay, we will continue to the next. We have. Okay, we will continue to reading section first. Kita akan ke reading section dulu ya. So this is our article, Save Our Seas. Selamatkan lautan kita. So the biggest problems in our seas. Jadi di sini ada beberapa nih. We have A, B, C, D. Oke, karena kita cuma bertiga di sini, berdua ya karena Zahra izin. So we will have this A, B. Terus untuk nanti C-nya adalah saya ya. Oke, the first one. In the A, it will be Mut Mutia and B, Grace and C will be me. Okay, so you have to read. Only read this. Cuma baca ya. A, B. So A will be Mutia and B will be Grace and C will be me. Okay, so now Mutia, you want to try first?
Yeah.
Okay, please.
People love eating fish, but we are eating too many. Many fish species are in danger and numbers are extremely low. Humans are putting too much pressure on the natural resources that can be found in our ocean. We need to reduce our consumption of fish and change how we catch them. If we add fewer fish, our ocean would have the time they need to create life. And yeah, and it will be more sustainable. Alternatively, we could stop eating fish entirely and look for our protein from plant-based sources. Dah.
Source. Okay. Okay,
Sorry.
so that's good. Okay, so Mutia, start from here. Can you say it?
Extremely.
Extremely. Extreme. Kayak extreme langsung. Extremely gitu ya.
Oh yeah. Extreme.
Ex
Extreme.
extremely gitu.
Extremely.
Okay. And then for this,
Resources.
tanya resource dari kayak resource terus resources.
Resource. Kayak gitu.
Resources.
Resources.
Resources. And then this.
Great. Great. Great.
Create.
Yeah. Okay.
Create. Need to create. So create life. And then ini sama kayak resource tadi, ini jadi menjadi
Source.
sources.
Sources.
Okay, that's good. Any question?
No.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. Okay, so that is from Mutia. Next, Grace for part B.
Okay, my turn. The temperature and chemistry of our oceans are
Changing.
changing, and this has terrible consequences for life in the water due to more CO2. In our seas, the water is getting more acidic. This is a big problem for some animals and plants because they can't survive in this new condition. As water is getting warmer, this causes animals to move to cover and environments, fish and other sea creatures are moving towards the Arctic and Antarctic. There may atau may there
There may.
there may be little sea life in warmer waters in the future as it will be too hot.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so now for this part, yang ini bacaan tadi gimana, Chris?
Mana? Consequences.
Okay, consequences. Okay, that's good. And then for this,
Some,
banyak some ya,
some,
some, S-A-M, some. For
some.
some, mhm. Bukan
Some.
some tapi some ya.
Okay.
Okay, and then this move to.
Color environments.
Kalau dingin bahasa Inggrisnya gimana?
Cold,
Cool.
cold. Oh yeah, cold,
Berarti ini
cold, cooler,
cooler. Oke, cooler.
cooler environments.
Banyak
And
environment, environment,
apa gimana?
environment.
Environment,
Ya, environment. Ah,
environment,
environment. Kayak environment. Kayak, bukan envy tapi envy gitu ya.
environment. I don't know.
Environment. Oke.
Environment. Yeah.
Ada pertanyaan? Do you have any question?
Uh, no.
No. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Grace. Okay, so that is the second one from Chris. Okay, so this is for sea here. All types of things are thrown into the sea, which causes great damage to the water and the whole ecosystem. This includes chemicals that flow directly into the sea from factories and farms. There are also frequent oil spills, which pollute our oceans as ships transport oil across the world. All of these disasters kill sea life under the and around the water. Plastic is also a huge problem in our oceans. We have millions of tons of plastic waste in our oceans, and we now have islands of plastic rubbish that kill life floating around our seas. Okay, so this is our material, but we have to save our seas. Kita harus menyelamatkan lautan kita. Okay, now we will continue the next. Oke, maaf ya untuk backgroundnya ada hilang-hilang. Oke, next. Oke, as you can see here, we will have this. Kita akan belajar tentang conditional sentence. Oke, ada yang paham tentang conditional sentence nggak? Do you know about conditional sentence? Chris, Mutia, gimana Mutia?
Um, apa tentang apa nih?
Conditional sentence.
Mau
Kayak
pernah dengar?
contohnya nih, our oceans would have the time they need to create life if we have, sorry, we add fewer fish. Jadi kayak pengandaian nih, kalimat pengandaian. Paham nggak maksudnya kira-kira gimana?
Itu yang World have sama eight atau gimana?
Nah, ini contohnya nih. If plus past simple. Jadi setelah itu langsung main close-nya would the infinitive. Kayak contohnya sih ada di sini nih. If we add fewer fish, our oceans would have the time they need to create life. Jadi jika kita memakan ikan lebih sedikit, our oceans atau samudera kita akan mempunyai waktu untuk mereka butuhkan untuk menciptakan kehidupan. Jadi kayak kalimat pengandaian. Tapi pengandaian ini adalah kalimat pengandaian. Kira-kira paham nggak maksudnya?
Hmm,
Nggak?
belum.
Belum ya? Oke, jadi so here we will learn about second conditional. Jadi kalimat pengandaian yang tipe kedua. Jadi tipe kedua di sini kita akan belajar tentang nih, contohnya di sini. Untuk yang pertama contohnya adalah if we add fewer fish, jika kita makan ikan lebih sedikit, nah dampaknya our oceans would have the time they need to create life. Jadi lautan kita akan mempunyai waktu yang mereka butuhkan untuk menciptakan kehidupan. Nah, ini kan sepertinya hal yang tidak mungkin nih. Jadi, untuk conditional sentence tipe kedua ini digunakan untuk menggambarkan hal yang, situasi yang tidak mungkin jadi kenyataan. Jadi kayak sepertinya susah jadi kenyataan. For the example kayak ini tadi. If we eat fewer fish, jika kita makan ikan lebih sedikit, kan nggak mungkin kan kita makan ikan sedikit karena kita pasti makan ikan banyak. For the, contohnya nih. Nah, contohnya lagi ada ini nih. Kita pun bakal punya contohnya. If I bla 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 enough money, I bla 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 buy an island. Nah, untuk
Cap,
rumusnya ya,
ini kayak sebab akibat gitu bukan ya?
ah, kayak sebab akibat gitu mirip-mirip itu. Nah, contohnya kayak sebab jika aku punya cukup uang, aku akan membeli pulau. Jadi sebabnya punya banyak uang, akibatnya bisa membeli pulau.
Oke, pulang.
Kayak gitu. Tapi ini akibatnya mungkin nggak bakal jadi kenyataan contohnya. Kan nggak mungkin ya kalau kita punya banyak uang kita bakal beli pulau. Bukan nggak mungkin sih, tapi kenyataannya dikit kecil banget. Paham nggak maksudnya kenyataannya kecil banget?
Paham.
Oke, jadi kemungkinan terjadinya ada kemungkinan, tapi bakal sedikit. Nah, contohnya for number one, if I, nah di sini. Jadi kalau di sini rumusnya bisa dilihat nanti if plus past simple, jadi dirubah ke past simple. Jadi if I have dirubah menjadi past simple. Kira-kira jadi apa? Tahu nggak? Have jadi berubah jadi
Head. Hot head.
had. Oke, that's perfect. If I had, nah, if I had enough money, ah, sorry, I bakal apa nih? Terus rumusnya dilihat ini. Would
I
plus the infinitive. Jadi dirubah menjadi if I had enough money, I
would
would apa?
would would have
Would
would apa?
would buy, tetap would buy ya. I
Oh,
would buy an island. Jadi jika aku punya uang yang cukup, aku akan membeli pulau nih. Kira-kira masuk akal nggak kira-kira?
Enggak.
Enggak ya, tapi pasti ada sedikit kemungkinan. Siapa tahu kita saudagar kaya raya bisa beli pulau gitu. Amin. Contohnya kayak gitu. Jadi kayak ini adalah suatu pengandaian, tapi kemungkinan terjadinya tuh minim sekali. Minim terjadi.
okay.
Dan itu juga bisa diputer ya. Contohnya nih. Jadi kalau mau diputer, ini kan untuk pertamanya if I had enough money, I would buy an island. Nah, bisa diputer jadi I would buy an island if I had enough money. Kayak gitu. Aku akan membeli sebuah pulau jika aku punya uang yang
Banyak.
cukup. Banyak uang jika boleh.
Hmm.
Kira-kira bingung nggak?
Cap, kalau misalnya God, tetap God bukan? Atau beda lagi? God.
Kan kalau God itu sebenarnya ini harusnya get ya. Harusnya maksudnya untuk bear-nya, untuk pertamanya kan get. Jadi ini tetap God ya, karena get. God
Oh,
kan dari get kan. If I got better marks, you. Kira-kira isinya apa nih selanjutnya? Kira-kira apa? Jadi rumusnya tadi seperti ini. If clause untuk yang pertama berarti if plus past simple. Jadi harus past simple. Jadi kalau misalnya apa contohnya? Misalnya it menjadi at. Nah, contohnya ini. Yang pertama kan if we add your fish, add kan dari it. Jika kita makan, if we eat. Jadi berubah menjadi if we add your fish, our oceans would have the time they need to create life. Oke, itu untuk contohnya nih. Jadi yang contoh untuk nomor satu tadi udah ya, if I had. Nah, ini kan berarti have berubah menjadi had. Dari verb satu berubah menjadi verb 2 nih. Jadi verb 2 yang dimaksud. Terus I menjadi bukan will tapi would. I would buy an island. Do you get it? Atau masih bingung nih?
Yes, I get it.
Oke, how about Chris?
Ya,
Oke, dan juga ini ada notes nih. When we use the verb to be if in the second conditional, we can use were instead of was for the subjects I, he, she, and it. Jadi kan kalau biasanya ada I was. Nah, kalau di sini jadi I were. If I were, kayak gitu, I were. Jadi bukan jadi I was tapi I were. Kan harusnya biasanya kan I was gitu. Nah, jadi kalau di sini when we use the verb to be in the second conditional, we can use were instead of was. Jadi nggak usah pakai was. Di sini pakainya were. Tapi khusus untuk yang ini aja. Tapi untuk kalau biasanya kayak past tense itu tetap pakai was kalau I ya, I was. Kalau di sini subjects I, he, she, and it pakainya were. Contohnya ada if I were, terus ada if I were you, kayak gitu. Kira-kira bingung nggak maksudnya untuk was were ini?
Tinggal diganti aja, Captain. Eh,
Kan biasanya biasanya kan was kan, I was kayak I was rich, aku dulu kaya. Itu kan kalau past tense. Kalau di conditional sentence tipe kedua ini jadi I were, bukan I was.
yes.
Do you get it?
Yes, I get it.
Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so now here we will have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yang pertama tadi udah. Jadi kita masih punya 5 nih. Nomor 2, 3, 4, 5, dan 6. Oke, so now kita akan selang-seling nih. Nomor 2 Chris, nomor 3 Mutia, nomor 4 Chris, nomor 5 Mutia, dan nomor 5 nanti Cap aja. Oke, so please. Atau mau nanti ada yang mau jawab boleh banget nih untuk yang nomor 6. Jadi nomor 2 Chris, nomor 3 Mutia, nomor 4 Chris, nomor 5 Mutia. Oke, so please. Siapa nih yang mau coba duluan?
bentar. Itu nomor two tadi got, got atau get jadinya, kata gantinya.
Buat kan uh, harusnya get kan. Tapi karena di sini
Get.
mungkin typo ya. Jadi get ini harus dirubah menjadi verb 2. Jadi got.
Oke,
Jadi tetap aja.
baik.
Oke, you want to try?
Ya, langsung.
Oke, please.
If you got. Gimana sih
Mhm.
bacanya?
If you got
If you got better,
better.
better, better marks, you would be able. Iya,
Okay, that's correct. You would be
able, able,
oh,
able
hmm,
to go
able.
to a good university.
Okay, okay. Can you translate it in Indonesian?
Enggak, belum. Ya,
Diterjemahkan sekalian ke bahasa Indonesia ya.
ya.
Okay, if you got better marks, you would be able to go to a good university.
Marks apa? Marks apa?
Marks itu nilai ya.
Jika kamu memiliki nilai yang bagus, kamu bisa pergi ke enggak ya?
Eh,
Salah ya?
eh, boleh
Ke
pergi ke boleh.
university yang bagus.
Oke,
Iya.
universitas yang bagus. Oke, betul banget. Tapi ini kondisinya udah masuk ke universitas yang lainnya. Jadi ini kayak perandaian yang lalu. Jadi jika kamu
Iya.
mendapatkan nilai yang bagus, kamu akan
Kamu.
bisa masuk atau bisa pergi ke universitas yang bagus. Oke, perfect Grace.
Oke.
Oke, Grace mau coba langsung nomor 4 atau Mutia dulu?
Terserah. Kalau Mutia, Mutia aja.
Oke, Mutia mau coba nomor 3 dulu?
Yes, boleh.
Oke,
Um,
please.
Number three, he walk itu walknya diganti jadi walked ya?
Oke,
Eh,
are you sure?
walk ganti apa ya? Verb
Oke,
dua kan?
Cap, jelasin sekali lagi ya.
Oh ya.
Oke, sebentar. Kita nih ada dua nih. Ada yang pertama ini. Yang pertama ini. Yang kedua ini. Di sini. Oke, sebentar. Saya copy paste di sini biar kelihatan. Kelihatan nggak? Kelihatan ya harusnya yang ini. Jadi ini. Yang pertama adalah. If we add fewer fish, our oceans would have the time they need to create life. Nah, ini untuk yang if-nya jika di depan. If we add fewer fish, jika kita makan ikan yang sedikit, lebih sedikit, our oceans, lautan kita akan mempunyai waktu yang mereka butuhkan untuk menciptakan kehidupan. Nah, kalau dibalik, berarti cukup dibalik. If-nya ada di belakang, jadi if we add fewer fish-nya ada di belakang. Jadi, our oceans would have the time they need to create life if we add fewer fish. Jadi dari sebab akibat menjadi akibat ke sebab. Bingung nggak maksudnya?
Oh, berarti ini apa namanya? Would-nya itu di depan ya?
Jadi kayak dibalik gitu.
Oh, oke. Berarti
Jadi dilihat dulu dari teksnya. Ini if-nya ada di depan apa di belakang gitu.
oke. Berarti he walk walk
Mm-mm. Oke, he would walk.
walk to school if the bus if the bus abis itu do not-nya tuh jadi did not rain. Itu bukan cap.
Okay, that's great. If the bus did not
Rain.
arrive. Oke,
Right.
please dibaca semuanya lalu ditranslate ke bahasa Indonesia.
He walk to school if the bus did not arrive. eh itu tuh kayak kalau kamu berjalan ke sekolah menaiki bus, maka kamu tidak akan terlambat. Gitu?
Oke, jadi langsung he-nya diterjemahin langsung ya. Dia akan
Oh ya, dia akan berjalan ke sekolah dengan bus, gitu.
jika jika
Em, jika menaiki bus, gitu.
oke jika busnya
Oh ya, jika busnya tidak terlambat.
arrive
Arrive
itu
tuh lupa lagi.
datang.
Oh ya, datang.
Oke, jadi maksudnya dia akan berjalan ke sekolah jika busnya tidak datang.
Terlambat. Oke,
Nah, jadi akibatnya dia bakal jalan ke sekolah. Sebabnya
karena
busnya tidak datang.
datang.
Nah, kayak gitu. Bingung nggak maksudnya?
Enggak,
Nggak ya, paham ya?
ya paham.
Oke, perfect. Oke, good job, Mutia. Next, number 4, Grace.
Okay, my turn. Okay. They would come to the party if you gave them an invitation. Invitation.
Oke, sorry Grace, agak ke distract. Jadi nomor
They
4 tadi, they.
would.
Oke,
They would.
they would.
Would.
Hmm.
Minggir, nggak lihat, nggak
Oh,
nampak.
yang kakak terjemahan ya. They would.
They would come to the
Mhm.
party.
They would
Come
come to the party.
if you gave. Gimana bacanya?
Bacanya
Gave.
gave ya.
Ya, gave ya Tuhan.
Mhm.
Gave the them an invitation.
Okay, invitation. Okay, they would come to the party if you gave them an invitation. Okay, please read and translate it.
They would come to the party if you gave them an invitation. Translate, mereka akan datang ke pesta jika kamu memberikan mereka undangan.
Oke, that's perfect. Jadi akibatnya mereka akan datang ke pestamu jika sebabnya kamu memberikan undangan ke mereka. Oke, perfect. Thank you very much, Chris.
Eh,
Oke, oke. Next, number five. Mutia.
Um, not rain-nya diganti jadi did not rain.
Oke, if
And
it
ini
did
ini sih.
not rain. Mhm.
And then yang itu tuh jadi would play.
Oke, we would. Bacanya would ya. We would
Would
play. L-nya nggak dibaca, jadi we would gitu.
we would we would
Hmm.
play.
Oke, please read and translate it.
If it did not rain all the time, we would play outside more often.
Artinya,
Um, bentar. Seandainya tidak hujan,
mhm,
all time tuh terus menerus,
mhm.
kami akan sering bermain di luar.
Kami akan bermain di luar lebih sering ya, atau
Oh
beli
ya,
banget.
sering. Lebih sering bermain di luar.
Oke, perfect. Thank you very much, Mutia. Okay, so that is for number five. If it did not rain all the time, we would play outside more often. Jadi, jika ini tidak hujan terus-menerus, akibatnya
Kita
kita akan
sering bermain.
bermain di luar lebih sering. Oke, good job. Oke, next, number six. Ada yang mau mencoba number six? Who wants to try number six?
No, yap aja.
Oke, berarti Grace nggak mau. Oke, Mutia, you want to try?
Nggak usah.
Oke, nggak usah ya. Oke, so we will try together. Kita akan mencoba bersama-sama. Ada what bla 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 if you bla 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 the lottery. Jadi di sini what berarti apa? Jadi kayak akibat jangan Pak, sebab akibat ya. Jadi akibatnya apa nih? Jika kamu apa akibatnya jika kamu sebabnya the lottery. Jadi akibatnya nih. What bla 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 by if you win the lottery. Jadi di sini jawabannya adalah what karena akibat jadi what would you buy kayak gini. What would you buy if you won the lottery? Kayak gitu. Jadi kayak gini. What would you buy if you won the lottery? Karena yang ditanyakan adalah akibatnya. Jadi akibat dari menang lotre. Mau membeli apa? Kira-kira bingung nggak nih kalau ada kalau tadi kan kalimat positif atau negatif. Kalau sekarang jadi kalimat tanya. Jadi bingung nggak?
Tinggal ditambah you-nya aja ya.
Kan mau bertanya nih. Jadi yang ditanyakan tuh sebabnya dulu apa akibatnya dulu nih. Kalau yang ditanyakan akibatnya berarti what would you buy if you won the lottery? Do you understand?
Yes.
Oke. Grace, paham Grace?
Ya,
Oke, that's perfect. Oke, ada pertanyaan nggak nih tentang yang bagian conditional sentence? Do you have any question?
no, no, no.
No? Oke, jangan lupa ya. Ini digunakan untuk menyatakan sesuatu yang kemungkinan terjadi sangat minim banget, kayak hampir nggak mungkin terjadi. Yang udah terjadi, biarlah terjadi. Oke, jika tidak ada pertanyaan, kita akan mencoba untuk membuat, oke, yang ini aja nih. Nah, ini mirip kayak biasanya. Di sini adalah kita punya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kita punya 6 nih. So here we have 6 statements. And then you have to find the definition of bold words. Kata yang ditebali ini nih. Kira-kira definitionnya apa nih? So you have to find the definition for this. For example, number one, they not only serve as the planet's largest habitat, but also help to regulate the global climate. Oke, so kira-kira jawabannya A apa B nih kira-kira? So, karena
Eh.
kita punya, wait, tunggu sebentar. Karena kita punya 6 nih, jadi dibagi 3-3. Jadi 1, 2, 3 Chris, 4, 5, 6 Mutia. Oke?
Oke.
Oke. So, ada pertanyaan nggak nih kira-kira tentang part ini?
No.
No? Okay. So, Chris, you want to try it first?
Iya. Tapi
Okay, please start it. Gimana?
geser ke atas itunya kertas.
Oh, ketutupan ya?
Ya udah.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay,
Oke.
please.
Nomor satu. Number one, they not only serve as the planet's largest habitat, but also help to regulate the global climate. This definition of a place
Okay.
where a type of animal or plant is normally found.
Okay, that's perfect. The answer is A. Oke, benar banget jawab adalah A. Jadi habitat. So, a place where the type of animal or plant is normally found. Jadi tempat di mana tipe hewan atau tumbuhan biasanya ditemukan. Okay, that's great. Number two, Chris.
Ya, oke.
Nah,
Number two, gimana baca ocean? Ocean aja kan?
ocean, ocean, hmm,
Kalau pakai S,
oceans.
ocean. Oh iya. Number two, the ocean is a continuous body of salt water that surrounds the continents. This definition of B.
Okay, that's correct. To be all around something. Jadi to be all around something. Jadi dikelilingi keseluruhan dari. Oke, kok jadi ke bold semuanya sih. Jadi jawabannya adalah B. Okay, that's correct. B. To be all around something. Jadi nggak cuma kiri kanan tapi menyeluruh. Timur, barat, selatan, utara, semuanya dikelilingi. Surrounds, dikelilingi. Okay, that's perfect. Now, number three,
Oh, number three, the ocean contains
traces.
traces of all elements found on Earth. Or definition of a B.
Oke, untuk
Traces.
yang ini bacanya tadi gimana, Grace? Yang ini
Chemical.
bacanya
Chemical.
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 Kayak kimia. Kimia bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Mister. Gimana? Se. Mi. Mister. Ah?
Chemistry ya.
Chemistry. Oh ya, chemistry ya Allah.
Chemistry.
Chemistry.
Jadi tulisnya kan chemistry, tapi bacanya adalah chemistry.
Oh ya.
Jadi chemical, bacanya adalah chemical.
Okay.
Okay, so the
Definition
definition.
of A.
Okay, a very small amount of something. Yang A,
A.
okay, a very small amount of something.
Hmm.
Okay, okay, okay. Good job. Thank you very much, Chris, for try number one and number three. Okay, so next, Mutia, number 4, 5,
Uh,
6.
during the past
Turing.
During the past 30 years, sea surface temperature has been consistently higher.
Higher.
Oh yeah, higher than at any other time on record. The answer is apa ya? A kayaknya.
Okay, during the past 30 years, sea surface temperature has been consistently higher than at any other time on record. Jawabannya,
In a way, then change very little over a long period of time.
consistently. Jadi konsisten. Kira-kira kalau konsisten gimana nih?
Hmm. Bacanya atau apa?
Eh, definisinya.
Definisinya. Eh,
Consistently. Jadi konsisten. Kira-kira yang konsisten yang mana nih?
B ya? Pre-
Yang mana ayo kira-kira? Apa?
B
Menurut
kayaknya.
yang A or B?
Hmm, A deh, A aja.
A or B?
B.
In a way that changes very little over a long
Konsisten.
period of time. Yang B, in a way that changes frequently over a long period of time. Kira-kira jawabannya yang
B.
B,
A, A, A.
A?
Ya, A. Nggak tahu
Okay,
deh.
that's correct. Yang A ya,
Oh ya, A.
consistent. Okay, number three, the answer is A.
F4 nggak sih?
Sorry, number four, A ya.
Ya.
Okay, and then number five,
Since itu berapa ya? 1993, the seas have been rising at a rate that's twice as fast as the long-term trend. Jawabannya B kayaknya. B.
okay, please read it.
Over an extended period of time.
Okay, that's correct. Over an extended period of time. Jadi adalah jangka waktu yang panjang. Jadi yang lama banget. Okay, B. Okay, the last.
Six. Even if emission stop tomorrow, the gas currently in the
Currently,
currently
hmm,
in the atmosphere will take decided
decades,
or decades to disappear gitu kan.
disappear.
Oh, disappear. The
Hmm.
answer is B. Ya ada B.
Okay, please read it.
Gas that is seen out
Send.
in
Hmm.
the air, often from cars and factories. Ya.
Okay, that's correct. Jadi gas yang dikeluarkan ke udara, semuanya sih, sorry. Jadi gas yang dikeluarkan di udara seringnya dari mobil atau factories,
Tor-
pabrik.
Oh, pabrik.
Pabrik ya. Tadi mau jawab apa?
B.
Oke, B. Oke, that's perfect. Oke, good job. Thank you very much, Mutia. Okay, so there's the first one from quiz number one. The answer is A. Jadi habitat adalah a place where a type of animal or plant is normally found. Jadi tempat yang dimana hewan atau tumbuhan biasa ditemukan. And then number two, surrounds, sekeliling. Itu to be all around something. Jadi semuanya dikelilingi sesuatu. Surround, dikelilingi. And then traces, ini adalah a very small amount of something. Jadi jumlah sedikit dari sesuatu. And then for number three, we have consistently, jadi during the past 30 years, sea surface temperature has been consistently higher than at any other time on record. Jadi jawabannya adalah A. In a way that changed very little over a long period of time. Jadi perubahan yang sedikit demi sedikit kayak tanpa banyak berubah. Jadi berubahnya kayak kelihatan banget dikit. Jadi nggak langsung tinggi banget. Okay, next number five. Since 1993, the seas have been rising at a rate that's twice as fast as the long-term trend. Jadi long-term, jangka panjang, over an extended period of time. Jadi apa aja terjadi dalam kurun waktu yang lama. And then the last six, even if emissions stop tomorrow, the gases currently and the atmosphere will take decades to disappear. So that is B. Emission atau emisi jawabannya adalah gas yang dikeluarkan ke udara, biasanya dari mobil atau pabrik. Oke, ada pertanyaan nggak nih kira-kira? Do you have any question?
No.
No? Grace, do you have any question?
Hmm.
Okay, if you don't have any question, so we will take the picture together. Kita akan ambil foto bersama-sama. Okay, so now Chris and Mutia, please open your camera. We will take picture together. Oke, di sini sudah ada Mutia and then Grace. Okay, we have Grace. Okay, so now here I will count 1 until 3 and give me yes. Sorry, your best pose. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me save it first. Okay, so let me end the recording.